Hey guys, and on today's item shop we have a couple good things. So first of all, we still do have Yellow Jacket. We still have Shadows Rising pack, which we've been going over already. And then we got all these other skins right here. So let's start up with Beach Bomber, which is an awesome skin right here available for you guys today. Of course, that comes with the perfect back bling. And let's not forget about the wrap to go along with the skin. And yes, there's a perfect glider to go along with everything right here. Next up is this skin right here, and I can't really say much about it. I'm not a huge fan of it. However, the back bling is pretty nice. And I actually do like the harvesting tool that you guys can get with to go along with this type of skin. Next up is Fate. With its pretty cool back bling, it's pretty nice. I gotta say, I am liking that back bling. Let's not forget the harvesting tool. And we also got a few other skins right here, plus Pathfinder and Gold Digger harvesting tool. Last but not least, a few emotes, which includes this really funny one. And of course, this perfect one that you guys can do with any of your friends. Let's not forget about one of the cheapest emotes right now available, and pretty useful. And yes, Captain America is still available. So that means the giveaway keeps happening, guys. So keep signing up and there will be more winners coming up. Of course, if Captain America is still there, that means these skins will still be available as well, which does include the male version, plus the glider right here and the harvesting tool. There's just one glider that I missed, and it's this one, and it's a pretty cool glider. So make sure to check it out. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.